And I want to talk here about scarcity as a sort of an influencing technique. It comes from Robert Cialdini. I want to talk about sunshine and scarcity. The reason for that is that this weekend we had some pretty good weather, and I was outside there doing my reading in the afternoon, catching some sunshine. And it's amazing, isn't it, that sunshine is a lovely thing to enjoy, but you enjoy it more if you know it's not going to be there forever. Now, the typical UK sunshine, it's never there forever, is it? I've seen people in Spain, for example, in North Africa this time of year. Sun shines every day, every month for the whole summer. You never get any cloud, but in this country, you'll be lucky to get sunshine for a couple of hours and then it'll cloud over and then we get storms or whatever it is. And that's the whole point behind it. You see, something is more valuable if you know it's not going to be there for very much longer, or if it's scarce, or if it's been rationed, or if you've given something and then it's taken away. It appears more valuable and more desirable, and that's the concept I want to talk about here, because it makes sense, doesn't it? I mean, I was watching this young couple on LinkedIn, and they would normally have their holiday in Spain. Of course, with the quarantine, they can't go there. So there was a photograph of them in the Lake District with this great big cagoule on, and these anoraks, the rain howling around them, saying what a lovely time they were having. I'm sure they were. But of course, if the sun came out for a couple of hours, they would be well pleased about that, and they would enjoy it more. So think about your own product. If you're a financial advisor, mortgage advisor, equity release advisor, how do you make your product, your service more valuable? You make it scarce. And you can do this, for example, by not letting everybody have a bite of it, really. You may only be able to take on 50 clients a year. And if somebody wants your business, just tell them, you only take on 50 clients a year because you like to give the right service. And we're getting close to the 50 mark, so I may not be able to accept you as a client. And then it just turns everything completely on its head, rather than being desperate for every new piece of business you can get hold of. Ration the time with people. Obviously charge for your time, of course you should. If somebody wants sort of extra time, ration it. Be aware that you can only spend 20 minutes. Or if it's a meeting with somebody, I can only spare 10 minutes. Makes it more scarce, makes it more desirable as well. Be prepared to walk away from any deals that you do when it comes to negotiating. If somebody's shopping around, say they contact you and you say to me, who else have you spoken to about your mortgage? And they say, well, actually, I'm talking to such and such and such and such. Just turn around and say, well, possibly I'm not right for you. I'm not right for everybody, and you carry on shopping around. I'm not really ready to take your business. Be prepared to walk away. It just makes you, oh really? I wonder why that person wants to. He's obviously very good at what he does. So be confident in that ability to make it scarce as well. Today, by the way, it's mostly cloudy out there. Just looking outside, we got clouds again. We had a bit of sunshine yesterday. We might get a little bit more. If it does shine this afternoon, I might nip out there because I know it's going to go away. Therefore, it's more valuable to me. So that's a little sort of sales tip for you: scarcity and sunshine. If you enjoyed that, then bye.